Today we'll be making a lamp out of a bottle. We'll start by drilling a hole in the bottle. As you can see, I have put the bottle in the water to keep it cool, lubricated, and to prevent any glass dust in the air. First we'll put a washer on the cable. We're going to wrap the cable with electrical tape in 2 places and then cover it up with some heat shrink tubing. There are 2 reasons we're putting an orange heat shrink tubing. One to make the cable more colorful, and the other is to secure it to the bottle. Now we're going to put the washer on the heat shrink tubing and glue it to the bottle. Next we'll attach the socket and fill the bottle with some decorative sand and some stones. Let's glue the socket and attach the lampshade. Well, that's it. We'll put in a LED bulb and we're ready to test it out.